In today's fast-moving industry, a great inner tube is more than just rubber. It's safety, performance, and durability. Welcome to Fuchun Tyre, a professional factory specializing in the manufacture of automotive inner tubes for 30 years. We are located in Hangzhou on the banks of the Fuchun River, with an excellent geographical location and convenient transportation, and have advanced equipment and mature processes. We offer a wide range of inner tube products in various specifications and models, including automobile inner tubes, motorcycle inner tubes, bicycle inner tubes, and industrial rubber inner tubes and tire flaps. Now let's go into the factory and see the quality. In Fuchun Tyre's production workshop, each inner tube is formed by raw materials, dense vulcanization, to achieve structural stability and high elasticity of the stereotypes, and then air tightness testing, appearance screening, and manual reinspection. Check on each level to ensure the quality. All inner tube products are made of butyl rubber or natural rubber refined, with high elasticity, strong sealing, puncture resistance, non-easy to aging and other characteristics, stable performance, and reliable quality. We offer a full range of tubes from 13-inch to 24.5-inch, covering small car and SUV, trucks and buses, motorcycles, electric vehicles, agricultural, construction machinery, snow, swimming, recreational tubes support customized production, and private label with sufficient stock and flexible delivery time. As a senior manufacturer with 20 years of export experience, Fuchun Tyre's products have been exported to more than 130 countries and regions such as Southeast Asia, the Middle East, South America, Africa, Eastern Europe, etc., and have won stable cooperation and word-of-mouth recommendation from a large number of overseas customers. Fuchun Tyre emphasizes on the different needs of each customer and continuously empowers its global partners based on reasonable price and stable quality and fast response. Learn more. Welcome to visit our website. We support OEM and ODM, wholesale or ODM flexible and negotiable. Welcome to cooperate and consult.